Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. Papasensyahan nyo na. Kakagising ko lang. And kailangan nating bumaba kasi si Mr. he is attempting to cook a rice. Masakit pa din yung ulo ko, so I have to call the doctor tomorrow.
That much touching rice.
Yeah, that's it. That's enough. Well done.
You have salt on it?
No.
You don't have touching rice, no?
Well, you can flavor your rice if you want.
Are you eating this?
Yeah. Is this? Oh no.
Do you want to eat this?
Yes, please, sweetheart. This is the only rice we have left.
Quite a lot. Isn't it? Quite a lot in there, darling.
I know. I'm just asking.
Half a tub.
Thank you, sweetheart. I really got a bad head now, hon.
You want in a minute. Maybe special donut. This rice is actually alright, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that. The
So,
Silk Road.
Do you want a photo of it so you can remember?
Of course I can remember.
Okay.
You cannot leave your rice unattended
I'm not
here.
leaving it unattended, I'm here.
Do you think my eyes is not swollen?
The only thing swollen is your heart. When you see me, it's like...
Yes, I'm suffering a headache for a few days now. Almost a week actually.
Yeah.
Can I have a spoon, please? John is going out shooting today with his friend.
First time in weeks.
Weeks.
We were allowed to go out as long as we were careful, no? So,
You need to be careful.
I wouldn't, don't worry about me. I have no intention of not being careful.
Yung headache naman na nafe-feel ko ngayon mga palangga, it's really completely different sa migraine na na-experience ko when I was a child, when I was a teenager. Pero yun na nga, baka bumalik yung migraine ko. So, dapat talaga magpa-check. Which, I hope naman na hindi sana bumalik yung migraine ko. Ang ginaw ngayon mga palangga. Wow, ang ganda nito. First time ko tong makita na yung flower. Hello, girls. Yes. Hinan nyo. Sandali lang, Pipa. Mama is trying to show something. Diba ito? Ang papakita ko na lang mamaya mga palangga. Maglalakad muna kami. So, si Mr. nga pala, umalis na si Mr. kanina pa. So, umalis siya mga quarter past 11 siguro yun. But before siya umalis, pinakain muna niya yung aso. And then, come here. Pinakain muna niya yung aso kasi alam niya na masakit yung ulo ko. Oops, who's calling? I really don't want to answer this. I don't know the number. Normally, pag hindi ko alam yung tumatawag, hindi ko sinasagot. Come here now. So, alam ni Mr. na masakit yung ulo ko. So, pinakain niya yung mga bata before siya umalis. And, hindi ko alam kung kailan makakauwi si Mr. kung ano yung oras. So, palabasin ko lang muna sila saglit. And this is a good exercise for me as well. Masakit pa din yung ulo ko pero it's okay naman, bearable yung pain. Magluluto tayo ng pancake mga palangga kasi kailangan kong kumain. Nag-breakfast naman ako kanina. Nag-breakfast ako kasi meron tayong leftover na kanin, leftover na sitaw, and leftover na chicken adobo. So that's our ulam this morning. So ngayon, kailangan kong kumain ng lunch or I need to have something kasi kailangan kong mag-take ng gamot. So, magpa-pancake ako. Yes, magpa-pancake tayo. Believe naman talaga ako sa sarili ko mga palangga kasi kahit na nagkakasakit ako or kung may sakit ako, yung appetite ko nandito pa rin, which is good. And sometimes, feeling ko lang sometimes, na pag nagkakasakit ako, mas kumakain ako ng marami. Yan lang yung napansin ko or ewan ko lang ba kung tumatakaw lang talaga ako. Right. So, I just gonna measure all the ingredients and babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Manood lang kayo kasi if I fast forward ko to, ito na siya mga palangga. Ito na yung butter natin. Kailangan lang daw siyang ipa-rest ng ilang minuto. So, we're just gonna leave this. Babalikan natin yan mamaya. Kakain muna ako ng soft apricot. Yan. Maganda siya pang snack. Kasi no added sugar, naturally low in saturated fat, and high in fiber siya. $30 minutes na ang nakalipas mga palangga. So, mag-i-start na tayong lutuin yung ating pancake. So, nag-start na din akong magpainit ng ating kawali. Yan. Hindi pa siya masyadong mainit. Mr. is here. Nandito na si Mr. mga palangga. So, ito na yung finished product mga palangga ng ating pancake. So, meron ako dito, how many pancakes we have? We have 6 pancake. Mr. will have 2.
2. Well, what do you put on it?
It's up to you. It's sweet. Try it.
Is it what?
Try it.
The sugar one? It's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
No.
Well, I find it sweet. Put a lemon. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng Nutella and lemon. What do you think? Is it okay? Yeah?
Many hours later.
So, magluluto tayo ng fried rice mga palangga. Honey? Do you want a little piece in your fried rice? Do you want a piece? Yeah? Okay. So, gusto mag-fried rice si Mr. Si Mr. lang yung kakain. Hindi ako kakain mga palangga because I am still full. Kasi nag-pancake tayo kanina and yung breakfast natin medyo karamihan. Dahil si Mr. lang kakain ito mga palangga, maglalagay ako ng kaunting garlic. Isang garlic lang. Ang bango-bango. Mabango talaga ang garlic pero yun na nga. Hindi kami bagay sa isa't isa. Maglalagay ako ng itlog. And then, mag-a-add ako ng rice. Then, mag-a-add tayo ng peas. Then, mag-a-add tayo ng kaunting toyo. Para may color mga palangga ba. Then another egg. Then mag-add lang tayo ng kaunting asin. And ito na mga palangga. Ito na yung finished product. Honey! Come here. Here you go. Pour it.
Oh, that's all right. There's a lot here, darling. Isn't there? I'm supposed to be in. I can't eat all that, darling.
Don't eat it all.
No.
There you go. And then have some ham.
This is the best.
The ham from Aldi, he doesn't like it. So that ham is from Tesco and he said it's way better.
Oh, it's like yummy, yummy scrumptious. It's like, you know, good. Got them all somewhere.
Enjoy!
Thank you, darling. We should set everything up.
Yeah. So magjujuice lang ako mga palangga at manonood lang kami ng TV kasi meron na namang daily update. How is it? Is it okay? The fried rice?
He went where he
You like it?
childcare. I thought he's now saying he didn't receive any childcare. That they're all child.
The next day.
It is a
think
nice
the wind-
morning.
The wind has really battered the apple trees. and
Yeah, I can see some of the leaves is dying, isn't
that. Well,
it?
it's battered them. It's bruised them, that's why.
So, maganda yung panahon ngayon. So, we're thinking to give the dog a bath. Nag-i-snack sila. Yan, pinakain namin sila. This is not their dinner. This is just their snack.
Well, Pippa's eating it. She didn't
You
like
say good morning.
Phoebe.
John.
You're supposed to say Magandango Maga.
John.
Yeah? What?
Hindi na masyadong masakit yung ulo ko and I supposed to ring the doctor today but today is holiday. Is it? What do you call that? Bank holiday? Yeah, bank holiday they call it. So, wala, hindi sila open but okay na naman. Hindi na siya masyadong masakit. So, dito lang tayo sa labas naghihintay sa mga aso. It looks like my eyes is swollen.
Got praying last night watching your film.
Oh yes, I've watched a film called Breakthrough and it is so sad but at the same time it's so touching. Umiiyak talaga ako. Kung napanood nyo yung film na yan or kung hindi nyo pa napanood, panoorin nyo kasi based siya sa true story and it's just so touching. Mag-i-enjoy kayo, well, paiyakin ka niya, pero tagus talaga sa puso yung story and na kahit na may mga pangyayaring hindi mo inaasahan, wag ka lang talagang susuko kay God. Yun yung message. Isn't it, Han?
What?
Well, so that's probably why my eyes is swollen.
Isn't it nice day?
It is nice day.
We need to get rid of cobwebs off cameras again.
It's very warm today.
Oh, we're only on 4G.
So, gusto ko lang i-address to ha, kasi may nabasa akong comment or may nag-leave sa akin ng comment sa one of my videos. Sabi niya na sobrang arte ko daw, na nagko-complain dahil mainit.
Who was complaining?
Somebody said that you're so, how do you translate maarte in English?
Ungrateful.
I don't know, but no, the way she said to me is, I grew up in the Philippines. I should be used in the warm.
Yes, but it's all right saying that. I quite agree. When you're in it all the time, you are accustomed to it. But when you've been out of it now for 5 years nearly, right? And you acclimatise to our country, you know, and you were in the cold winters and you know, and the damp atmosphere.
The thing is, I've noticed here, your warm weather
is warm.
Is warm.
Yeah.
The humidity is different here from the Philippines. Let's say for example, they have 25 degrees here in UK, and it might not sound very warm compared to the Philippines, but it's very warm here. And as John said, na
the humidity makes it hotter.
yeah.
It's like being in a sauna. When you go in a sauna and don't put any water on the thing, the heat is bearable. But as soon as you chuck water onto the stones, it creates that moisture, and it just feels like it's twice as hot as what it actually is.
Yeah, this is it. So yeah, I'm not being ungrateful. And sabi na nga ni John na pag hindi ka nakatira sa Philippines for quite some time, yung body mo magka-climatize talaga, and masasanay na yung body mo sa weather nila dito.
She was eating the dinner
And
then,
pag tumataas yung temperature, I find it hot.
It's hot today, isn't it?
Very warm. And inaamin ko din na napansin ko sa sarili ko na nahawa ako sa British attitude na palagi na lang pinag-uusapan yung weather nila dito. Yan yung mai-expect nyo sa mga British, na palagi na lang nilang pinag-uusapan yung weather. Expect that pag nandito ka sa UK, palagi ka na lang, oh, how's the weather today, mga ganon-ganon. Kaya, sorry.
What time is it?
They're done eating.
It's only 10:30. We'll leave them for 10 to 15 minutes.
Smile, John. You need to tell them what's happened last night. We need to wake up at 2:30 in the morning.
Because Blackie here.
Yeah.
Blackie.
Peepa. She been barking.
Barking and barking and barking and barking. And the problem is we do get quite a few thieves around here. So Pippa's like our alarm system and works very well. So we looked out, couldn't see nothing. So I went back to bed. She starts again. I get the torch out. I look all around the property from the window because I've got a very powerful torch and you can see all the way. But I could hear this noise beneath me. I think, what's that? So I shine the torch down out the window. This great big rat. So I kept the light on the rat, and the rat decided to run through the hole in my wheel, and it climbed up into the engine bay inside. I'm thinking, oh God, if it starts chewing any wires or anything in there. So I had to get out of bed, get up, come down with my keys and try and scare the rat away. So,
Yeah, so that's the episode last night. So we are all sleepy. So it doesn't help my eyes, my headache. But my headache is a throbbing headache. When I suddenly move, that's when it is very painful.
I get a throb sometimes.
What? What?
I get throbbing quite often.
What a throbbing?
The head, and the headache. Here's mine. Being so naughty.